to my channel. In today's video, I'll be sharing with you quinoa Greek salad recipe using my homemade Greek dressing recipe. Let me take you over the ingredients to get started. The ingredients that you will need for this recipe are 1 cup of quinoa, 1 cucumber, half cup of cherry tomatoes, half red onion, 1 red bell pepper, half cup of parsley, half cup of feta cheese, half cup of olives, and you will need my homemade Greek dressing, which will be a half cup, and some pepperoni. And now let's add all these ingredients together and mix them. Alright guys, so now let's add our ingredients to a bowl. We have here 1 cup of quinoa, cucumber, tomatoes, and red onion. They're all chopped. And in here we have red bell pepper, parsley, feta, and olives. I have some pepperoni here. Maybe I have about 5 pieces in here. And now what we're going to do, we're going to add my homemade Greek dressing that I made on my previous video. I'm going to leave the link in the description box. But first let's mix it. We will need half cup of the dressing, Greek dressing. It smells so good. And now let's mix the salad. And now guys, let's give it a try. Really good. Perfect quinoa Greek salad using the homemade dressing that I made. It's really good. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching today's video. Please subscribe to my channel. Make sure your bell notification is on. Leave a comment below and like this video. And until next time, I'll see you guys later. Bye!